together. It's never better. It is too damn hot, getting fed up. Well, I understand you need everything you wanna be, but this motherfucker.
What's up, Dog Gang? It's your girl Chic Dow, and today I'm here with a seafood boy.
Call me stupid, like what the hell I'm doing.
I have my little sister Zahaya with me, and yeah, so we doing a seafood mukbang. We got some lobster, we got some snow crab, we got some shrimp. Where's our shrimp? Hold on, please. Just look at it. It's so. Ooh, look at that. That onion. It's good.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's your normal glutton Mad Attack, and today's a special day because I wanted to announce I finally reached 100 subscribers, and I wanted to thank all of you because you guys are giving me the motivation to keep making videos. And I wanted to celebrate today the only way I know how, and that's eating a bunch of food. Well, I have donuts and a bunch of other various pastries here, but donuts are the key feature today. So I went out and got 9 from my city's local best donut shop, Coffee Way, and then I got 3 from Tim Hortons. So let's start with the Canadian cream. I guess it tastes sea salty. You can definitely taste the saltiness. I'm not sure that one does it for me. It tastes pretty decent. It's got like a nice strawberry taste to it.
And I love your walk. You all bow leg and a not knee.
I don't know, y'all. I think robbing a bank. I see myself robbing a gas station. You know, because gas stations like
You see yourself? Why is we talking about this?
Can you ever see yourself catfishing your boyfriend?
Thanks for tuning back to our channel. I really appreciate it so much. And those who haven't subscribed, can y'all please subscribe and hit that bell button and hit that like. Appreciate it so much. And before we begin, we're going to say grace. Ice cream, floaty or whatever. But this is just an ordinary Big Mac.
Yeah, it looks like one too.
It is. No special songs, no nothing. Just a Big Mac. Big Mac. Oh,
I just don't. Oh.
I need to do mine like that. What you do? Cut your box open? You tore that open. Oh, okay. Left me out.
Y'all, I do not eat Big Macs.
I know. You gonna eat it.
But I like the double cheeseburgers, but this one tastes not like a double. I'm gonna put ketchup, dip it a little bit. Okay, let's try it, y'all. Okay.
Who believe her? Now, when we get off camera, she probably gonna be like, I would never eat that again.
No, the little mayonnaise or whatever was kind of hidden. Yeah. Like, why do they do it? They so lazy just to
I could see if I said, give me a cone and a cup. I just said a cup. I was waiting on you. You left me. How is it?
Oh, it's good.
It just got Oreos, huh?
Yeah, remember it tasted.
No, because I tasted it all. Woo!
What's poppin', squad? It's your boy Twompson. Don't mind him, he having one of them days. But we back with another mukbang. And today, well, this is what he got. You feel me? Y'all know who that is. But I didn't get that, but the two restaurants that they connected there somewhere. He got them KFC chicken strips. I got some hold on, bruh. Some little mini corn dogs and a bacon cheeseburger from A&W and some fries. But yeah, let's get into this. How y'all doing today? What about that honey mustard for KFC? She's like, oh yeah, we got that. Oh, kind of. You got the honey mustard from KFC, but don't got the mustard for A&W? You tripping. But that's that honey mustard. I gotta have it. I think this is my first time trying honey mustard, to keep it 100 with y'all. Because
hella hot.
It is hella hot. I'm gonna have to hit this AC. You ate all them?
Hell no.
I was about to say, damn! He wasn't this new freaking 2010 to now A&W, which is trash as shit. This burger it's aight. It ain't nowhere near how his was. Neither are the fries.
Vanessa.
Vanessa.
You just need to start recording everything you do.
Right. You already recorded it?
Do it?
Yeah. Come on.
Yes. Butter.
This is butter?
Mm-hmm.
Are you serious? No, this is butter. This gotta be cheese. Maybe it's for your omelet. It's cheese. Anyways, it's so good. It's so good. I don't want to eat it, eat it in front of you people.
I'm crying.
So good.
He done ordered us 2 mango smoothies.
Period. Don't put that on the table.
But we hungry, shit.
I'm hungry.
Are you getting food? I'm getting food a little bit.
Kind of. Maybe that McDonald's can wait, but
Right.
I
With the fries.
I don't care about the fries. Maybe I put it in the air fryer. Okay, I'm gonna try the French toast.
Yeah, try French toast because the French toast look nasty as hell.
I feel like we should go live. While we're eating so they can see.
Mm-hmm.